Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about a milk pump tutorial for new moms and share some simple tips that can help make pumping easier and more comfortable. For many new mothers, pumping can feel unfamiliar at first. Learning how to use the pump, create a routine, and stay organized takes time, but it becomes much easier with practice. Before starting, always wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean, dry, and properly assembled. A clean setup helps create a safe and comfortable pumping experience. Next, choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit and relax. Many mothers find that a calm environment helps make pumping sessions feel smoother. Before turning on the pump, prepare everything you need. Keeping storage containers, water, and cleaning supplies nearby can help you stay comfortable throughout the session. When you begin, start with a gentle setting and allow your body time to adjust. There is no need to rush. A steady and comfortable approach often works best. If the milk does not begin flowing immediately, do not worry. This is completely normal, especially for mothers who are new to pumping. During the session, try to remain relaxed and maintain a consistent routine. Many mothers find that regular pumping sessions become easier over time. After the session is complete, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if necessary. Cleaning all pump parts after every use is also important. Proper cleaning helps maintain hygiene and keeps the pump ready for future sessions. Remember that every mother's journey is different. Finding a routine that works best for your schedule and lifestyle may take time, and that is perfectly normal. With patience, consistency, and good organization, pumping can become a simple and manageable part of daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.